Here's a yoga move called churning the mill. And this one's going to feel pretty good for the spine. It begins in a staff pose, dandasana. You want to interlace the fingers here. And I don't really need gloves for this one. I had the gloves on for the previous tutorial I filmed. That was peacock pose. So for this one, back to churning the mill, you want to interlace the hands here, interlacing the fingers, making a loose fist. And you'll begin by shifting forwards. Then I'm going to shift to my left, coming backwards. Hands go to the right, coming forwards. So you'll end up tracing circles with the hands. And the circles could be as small or as big as you like. Bigger circles for more of a challenge. You'll also want to do the same number of circles on the left and right. Changing sides, you might also want to change the way you have your hands clasped. So here we get a little bit of a twist as we come to the side, shifting back, using the core muscles a little bit here, getting some core engagement. Twisting the other way, coming forwards. So coming into a bit of a forward fold, bringing flexion into the spine. And I'll do that one more time. Churn in the middle. So you could play around with different circle sizes and different tempos. You could also go slower for more of a challenge, or you could try moving a little quicker. So give that a try and see how it feels on your spine.